Hi, in this video, we will demonstrate the user experience of enrolling devices into SureMDM using SureMDM Agent. To start, open the App Store on the device, search for the SureMDM Agent and install it. Once installed, launch the agent and grant the permissions for the notification. Next, tap on Not Enrolled section and accept the EULA to start the enrollment process. Next, tap Enroll Device, enter the account ID of the instance and tap Register. Enter your SureMDM instance URL here and tap Register again. Configure the device name as per your requirement and tap Enroll to proceed. If an EULA is configured in the SureMDM, it will appear, accept the EULA and tap Proceed. The system will now prompt the user to validate the shields based on the SAML settings. Since I have configured the SAML for Microsoft Entra, I will authenticate using my Microsoft account. Once authentication is successful, it will prompt to download the enrollment profile. Tap and allow, and once the profile is downloaded, close the pop-up. Now navigate to the settings to view and install the downloaded profile. Click on Install, enter your passcode and follow the prompts to complete the profile installation. Once the profile installation is completed, return to the SureMDM agent to confirm that the device is successfully enrolled. Now, let's check this out SureMDM console to see the device record and validate it against the agent. Now here is the console look, and this is the device which we have enrolled. Test user iPhone, the same device I can see on the agent as well. Now this completes the enrollment process. Thank you for watching.